Let's install a dash cam. Out of the box, we have our main dash cam, the rear camera, a cable to connect the cameras to each other, a power adapter, and the power cord, and our micro SD card. Let's start by installing the micro SD card, get that out of the way, and figure out where we want to install the camera and stick it on. I planned my placement on where I can easily run the cable and hide it. So I'm going to plug in the power cable, then the other cable that will connect the two cameras. I carefully work it up into the plastic, bending it with my fingers. From there, I'm going to carefully run the wires under the roof liner, just right on the edge, then between the plastic near the door. This bent pretty easily. I'm sure it snaps off, but I didn't have to do anything like that. I continue down along the door. Once I get the wires down in the floorboard, I'm going to separate them. One's going to continue onto the back camera, and the power cord is going to be run underneath the seat, and I plugged mine directly into a USB port. Sorry for the focus issue here, but I'm snapping up the plastic rim piece along the bottom of the door, and I'm running the cord underneath it towards the back seat, and I did the same thing at the back seat. So find where you want the rear camera to go. Since this is a hatchback, I installed the camera with the hatch open so I could make sure that the cable wouldn't stretch or unplug. Because of how I installed mine, I've got some slack inside that I'll have to just deal with later. Overall, pretty easy to install. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.